Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action in Windows 10. Right-click, click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Advanced. Click Add. Click Select a Principal. Add your username. Click Check Names, OK. Check all basic permissions. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Click OK. Now you can delete this folder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.